Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a group on the Splid application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on new group in the middle of the screen. Then type in the name of your group. You can select whether you would like to share online or not by tapping on this button and click on the next button in the upper right corner of the screen, and then you should add the names of the participants of your group. Click on add, then you can add the new person and tap on create. Here you can see your group at this section, so you can add expenses, payments to your group. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.